Worst thing about being an Erasmus Plus Youth Exchange? You will always miss it.
If you go to Erasmus Youth Exchange, your face will hurt from smiling.
At the Erasmus Youth Exchange, I was able to get good practices from different countries. I was exposed to different cultures who had their own dances, traditions, food, ceremonies, architecture. It was a very insightful thing to see, because it added a rich layer to my experience. Let's also don't forget about the fun part, because Erasmus is all about having fun. Grow,
Learn from Europe
and go to Erasmus!